Hi gentlemen, welcome in another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a new software, inkflow. Inkflow have a lot of tools for usage. You can multi-language, have a multi-language, and smart writing tools supports 100 language. You can create global content effortlessly, rewrite, summarize, expand or shrink content. AI-powered content optimization, change tones and style, instantly make content formal, casual, persuasive, or professional. Translate into multiple languages, reach a wider audience with ease. You can use it for your blog on WordPress and generate. For more information, click in link in description or first comment. Have a good day.